Redmi Turbo 3, which was recently launched, is a super performer phone in the mid-segment category. However, alongside the regular version, a special edition called the Redmi Turbo 3 Harry Potter Special Edition has also been released. This special edition stands out with its super attractive design and comes with different accessories. Today, I'll be sharing an unboxing and design review of the Redmi Turbo 3 Harry Potter Edition with you. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here, you can see the boxes for both the regular variant and the Harry Potter variant of the Redmi Turbo 3. I've already uploaded the unboxing and detailed review of the regular variant, and you can find the link in the description below. Now, as for the Harry Potter variant, the box is quite large because it's a special edition, so you can expect more accessories inside. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So, when you remove the Harry Potter band, you'll find the Hogwarts house badge underneath. It's like a gateway, and it looks really beautiful inside. The interior of the box looks quite impressive. Here you have the phone, and you can see the Hogwarts school badge. Inside a separate box, you'll find the accessories. You can take the first look at this Harry Potter variant here. Additionally, there's another box where even the power adapter has Harry Potter branding on top. The power output will be 90 watts. In this box, you'll find the charger and data cable. In the larger box, you'll get the user manual and a protective case. The case has different textures on top, with a fabric-like material inside and matte textures on the outside. There's a large opening for the camera area, which really highlights the phone's design. You can feel it when you touch it. The phone is really cool. On the back of the phone, there's a big Harry Potter branding, and you'll notice a three-dimensional effect. On the back, you'll find textured Harry Potter lettering, but in the middle, the badge feels flat to the touch, and the top also has a flat feel. Let's quickly start up the phone and set it up. The phone's theme and icons are all in Harry Potter design, which you can take a look at. It's pretty cool. When you put on the case, the design on the back becomes quite eye-catching. You can also compare it with the regular variant with the case on to see the differences in design elements. There's quite a noticeable difference here. The Harry Potter version offers an attractive design, and the Redmi Turbo 3 Harry Potter Edition is only available in one variant, with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The price starts from 26.99 Chinese yuan in China, which is around £300 in the UK and up to $375 in the USA. Apart from the design, the phone offers the same specs as the regular variant. I've already uploaded the unboxing and detailed review of the regular variant, where I covered performance, gaming, camera, and battery tests. You can find the link to the video in the description below. Be sure to check it out. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.